Hello students, today in this video we find the solutions of intermediate maths first year maths A, that is chapter functions, and in that function exercise 1b we are going to find the solutions today. Already we found the solutions of 1a, we completed and uploaded also, so please go and watch that video. And now this is 1b here. I am going to start this 1b first question here. Here first section, first question is, if f of x is equal to e power of x and g of x is equal to log e power of x here given. So log base e x given, and then show that f of g is equal to g of f, and find the f inverse and g inverse also. Here he asking us to find. Now solution here. Now given question is f of x is equal to what he given, f of x is equal to e power of x he given, and g of x is equal to what he given, log base e and x he given. Now he asking us to find f of g is equal to g of f. This is called f of g and is equal to g of f. We can say here f of g of x, here given that we think that is equal to g of f of x given like that, we think that. So it will become f of g of x it will become, and now it will become g of f of x it will become. Now in this we have to submit the values. So we have to show that these two are equal, we have to show. So I am doing that directly here only. So f of this will become f of g of x is equal to how much here given, log e x is equal to g of f of x is equal to how much is given, e power of x. Now this f of x, f of log of e x is there na, so we have to submit in this one, and it will become e power of log of e x it will become, and g of e power of x is we have to submit in this one, it will become log of e and e power of x it will become, e power of x will come. So in the x place I will replacing e power of x. So submitting the values, that's it, nothing is more than f of x, g of x means. So it become what will it will become, it will become one formula is there, e power of log e base e base e x is equal to x is the answer here, this one, and here this x will come in come beside log e base e will remain here, this is become 1 log e base e. So x is equal to x answer here. So this is this given statement is here true here, f of g is equal to g of f is equal to true here. So what we have to find, another thing, f inverse and g inverse we have to find. So f inverse we have to find now. So here I am taking here f of x is equal to his what he given question, e power of x. I am finding f inverse here. So it will become y is equal to, let y is equal to f of x is equal to e power of x, means y is equal to e power of x. Okay here. So in from this we can write it as f inverse of y is equal to x is equal to e power of x. Okay. So from this here y is equal to e power of x is there na, so I am writing it as x is equal to log base e y. So f inverse of y is equal to, it will become f inverse of y is equal to x, means this x means here log e y. So this is the value of f inverse of y is equal to log of e power of y. So here e power of not y, log y e. So here we need to find f inverse of x. F inverse of x is equal to log e x. So similarly same like this one, and we have to write like this. So this is answer here, he asking us to find f inverse of x here. Now move to the g inverse of x, he asking us to find g inverse. So of x is equal to log e base e x he given already in the question, and I am writing it is as in the g of x is equal to y is equal to g of x is equal to, I am taking like this, of log e base x here. So if I take the, it will become g inverse of x, g inverse of y is equal to x is equal to log e x here. Here y is equal to, we can write it as log e x, and from this we can write it as it will become x is equal to e power of y we can write. So means g inverse of y is equal to e power of y. Okay, so e power of y. So g inverse of x is equal to what we can write as g inverse of x is equal to e power of x. So this is the answer here. Now move to the second question here. Here second question is solution. So question we will read once. If f of y is equal to y by 1 minus y square and g of under root and g of y is equal to y by under root of 1 plus y square, then show that f of g of y is equal to y here. So question is what here? F of g of y is equal to y question is given. So in this f of g of y is equal to f of y means if g of y is how much here? Y by under root of 1 plus y square here. So after that f of x is equal to how much here? F of x is equal to f of y is equal to this one, no? So I'm submitting in that one. So it will become y by under root of 1 minus y by under root of 1 plus y square. This is y square and whole square. So this whole square here. Okay, in y place I am submitting y by under root of 1 plus y square. So here I am submitting 1 by y plus y by under root of 1 plus y square na. So here numerator also it will become under root of 1 plus y square will come, because it is in the form of y only. So in the y we have to submit same value. So f of y place we have y by under root of 1 plus y square na. So we have to submit in the numerator and denominator. So it will become we can write it as so here y by under root of 1 plus y square remain like that only, and divided by here it will become, this will become 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square will come, and this will multiply here, it will become under root here, and y by under root of 1 plus y square divided by, so it will become 1 plus y square minus y square. Okay, so one thing will come here, it will become like this, and under root divided by under root of 1 plus y square will also come. So this total root is there, I am dividing in the numerator for denominator. So here root will cancel with the square. What I am doing here, square na, this square. So I am dividing this square. So for this one and this one, root will cancel. After that this big what is root is here na. So I am dividing that thing. So it will become this will get cancelled here, and will remain y by under root of 1 plus y square minus y square. So this will get cancelled and it will become y by under root of 1 means y. So this is answer here. So he is asking us to show that this f of g of x, g of y is equal to y, he is asking us to find. So this we proved here. Now we showed that. So third question, we move to the third question here. Here third question, if f of r to r and g of r to r are defined by f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3 and g of x square is equal to g of x is equal to 3x minus 2, then find the values of this one. F of g of x is equal to, first one solution here. So f of g of x is equal to f of g of x. G of x is equal to how much is given? 3x minus 2 he given. So 3x minus 2 here, and g of x is equal to f of x is equal to how much is given? 2x square plus 3 he given. So in this x place I am submitting the 3x minus 2. So 2 into 3x minus 2 whole square plus 3 will come. So it will become a minus b whole square formula now. So we will divide in that one. 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x plus 2 square plus 3 here. Now it will become 2 into, this will become 9x square minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 ja 12x plus 2 square is equal to 4 here into, sorry, plus 3 here. Now it will become, what we can write it as, 2 9 ja 18x square, 2 12 ja 24x minus 24x plus 2 4 ja 8 plus 3, it will become 11 here. So means 18x square minus 24x plus 11 is the answer here. So this is the f of g of x is equal to, this is one. Now move to the next question here, solution. Here only will do. So it will become g of f of x will come here like this. So g of f of x is equal to how much? 3x minus 2 here. No, 2x square plus 3 here. So f of x is equal to this one, and g of x is equal to, we need to submit the g of x value, and means g of x plus we have to submit in this one. So 3 into 2x square plus 3 minus 2 here. So it will become 3 2 ja 6x square plus 3 3 ja 9 here minus 2, means 6x square plus 7 is equal to, so nothing, this is the answer. So g of f of x is equal to how much we got? 6x square plus 7 is the answer here. Now move to the third question in this one. Now third one solution. So given that f of 0 is given, so f of 0 he given, f of 0, this one. So in this one, f of 0 is equal to how much we can take it as? F of 0 only, f of 0 will become f of 2 into 0 plus 3. What the question is, f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3, and g of x is equal to 3x minus 2. In this I am submitting values. So f of 0 is equal to this 0, in the x place I am submitting 0 value, and it become plus 3, no, plus 3, yes, it will become f of 3. F of 3 means I am submitting 3 again in that one, so it will become 2 into 3 square plus 3. So 3 square 9, 9 to 18, 18 plus 1, 18 plus 3 here, 21 it will become. So answer is 21 of this third question. Now move to the fourth question solution here. Here question is different. G of f of 3, okay, so is equal to, we have to find, so g of, okay, g of f of 3. So g of f of 3. So in this f of 3 is equal to, first we do, so 3 I am submitting, no, it will become, what will become? 3 square 9, 9 to 18 plus 3. So g of f of 3 is equal to g of f of, it will become f of 3, if I submit, to what is the value? 2x square 3 square plus 3 it will become, and g of f of, it will become 3 square 9 to 18 plus 21 here, and it will become f of 21, means we have to submit in the x square, g of 221 whole square plus 3 here. So it will become 21 square is equal to how much? 441 here. 21 square is equal to 441. 441 2 ja 441 2 ja 441 2 ja 2 8 82. Okay. So in this I am adding with the 3 1. So g of 885 it will become. So g of 885 in the value of 3x minus 2 we have to submit. It will become 3 of 885 minus 2 here. So with the multiply with the 885 into 3 will get 265 5 only 5 only will get here, minus 2 it is equal to 2653 is the answer here. Which one? G of f of 3 value will come as a 26 and 53 here. So now this is the third question completed. Now move to the fourth question here. Now fourth question solution here. So question is given that if f R2R and g R2R are defined by f of x is equal to how much given? 3x minus 1, and g of x is equal to x square minus 1 given. So what we have the question here, what we are having question, so f of x square plus 1 is given question. So in this I am submitting the value of f of x square is equal to f of this f of x I am doing here, means in this x1 I am submitting the value of x square plus 1. So 3 into x square plus 1 minus 1 I am here writing here. So in this f of 3 into x, 3x square plus 3 minus 1 here. So means answer will come here 3x square plus 2 will come. After that we have to do f of x in this one. So means it will become 3 into 3x square plus 2 minus 1 will come. So it will become 3x square 9x square plus 3 to the 6 minus 1. It will become 9x square plus 5 is the answer here. 9x square plus 5 is the answer here. Next, move to the second question. Now second question is f of, first we write the values here. F of x is equal to what we have, 3x minus 1, and f of g of x is equal to, we have x square plus 1 in the fourth question. So here fourth question, second one, here f of g of 2 is equal to, f of g of 2 is equal to, I am writing here. So f of g of 2 is equal to how much, we submit the values, means 2 square plus 1 here, and it will become f of 5 here. Okay, 2 square plus 1 is a 5 here. So f of 5 means we have to submit in this one. So 3 into 5 minus 1, 3 5 ja 15, minus 1 here, it will become 14. So answer is become 14 here. Which one? F of g of 2 value here, so 14. Now third question here, solution. The question is given g of f of 2a minus 3 is given. So in this f of x values we have to submit in this f of x one. So if we submit that one, though, it will become g of f of x means f of this one, 3 into 2a minus 3 minus 1 it will become. Okay, it will become is equal to g of 3 2 ja 6a minus 3 3 ja 9 minus 1 here. It will become g of 6a minus 10 here. So I am submitting this 6a minus 10 in the g of x. G of x is equal to how much here? X square plus 1, no? So in this 6a minus 10 whole square plus 1. So x plus, I am submitting 6a minus 10 g of x plus. So it will become, leads to 6a square means 36a square minus it will become 120a, because 2 6 are 12 into 20 a plus 10 square 100 here plus 1. So it will become 36a square minus 120a plus 101. So answer is this one only. Which one? The question is g of f of 2a minus 3, the value of this one. Okay, now move to the next question. Now fifth question, students. Here if f of x is equal to 1 by x and g of x is equal to under root of x, for all x belongs to 0 to infinity, then find the g of f of x. Here he asking us to find. Now solution, here we go for the solution. If he given a f of x is equal to 1 by x, now here I am writing g of f of x, I am writing like this, is equal to g of f of x, I am writing like this. Here f of x is equal to what he given, 1 by x. If g of 1 by x I am writing here in this place, f of x place. The question is given like the f of x here, and more question is given, or this only question. This only question for all g of x we have to find here. Now here what we have to find means g of x is equal to what? G of x is equal to 1 by x is there na, so we have to submit in this one, it will become under root of 1 by x. So this is the answer here, we can write it as under root of 1 by x. Which one? G of f of x value here. So this is the answer of this question. Now move to the next question of sixth one. Sixth question is f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2 is given in the question. Now find the g of f of x is equal to, he asking us to find here. Now solution will take like this, g of f of x is given. So from this g of f of x I will take. Okay, so f of x is equal to how much he given? 2x minus 1. So g of 2x minus 1 I will write here. Now in this g of x is equal to means g of 2x minus 1 is equal to, I am writing in this one. So it will become 2x minus 1 and plus 1 divided by 2 it will become. Now it will become this minus 1, 2x minus 1 and plus 1 is there and divided by 2 here. So this 2 will be get cancelled and 2x divided by 2x will remain, 2 remain, 2 get cancelled, x will be remain here. So means g of f of x is equal to, answer I will getting is x. This is the solution of this one. Now sixth one is over here. Now move to the next question. Now seventh question is, here if f of x is equal to 2 and g of x is equal to x square and h of x is equal to x, 3 given for all x belongs to R, then find the value of this one. So given question is f of g of h of x is given. So in this I am submitting f of h of x, first one, f of g of h of x is equal to how much here? 2x. So this one I am submitting, where h of x is equal to 2x. I am submitting in this one. Okay. Now g of x is equal to f of g of x is equal to how much here? X square. No, in this 2x square I will write here, means g of x in this place, x square place, I am writing is 2x. Okay, where this 2x, this is h of x value. Okay, now here it will become f of 4x square, it will become. Now f of x is equal to how much here? 2 only here given. So this is the constant given question here. So f of 4x square is equal to 2 only, answer here. Now f of x is equal to 2. So total value f of g of h of x is equal to 2, answer here. Okay, this is solution here. Now move to the next question here. This is 2 is a constant here, we can't do anything with this one. There is no x plus now, so direct we are writing is a 2 is a constant here. Now 8th one, find the inverse of the following function he asking us to. First one is a comma b belongs to R, f R2 are defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b, where a not equal to 0 he is saying. Solution here, what we have to do, inverse of this given function he asking us to find. F of x is equal to ax plus b is given. Okay, so from this I am taking I will take y is equal to f of x is equal to ax plus b, I will take like this. From this I will write f of x is equal to, means this considering these two, I will write f inverse of y is equal to x, I will write. Okay, so it will become x is equal to f inverse of y, no, so y is equal to this one, so y is equal to ax plus b. So from this I will write x is equal to y minus b by a is equal to x from this. Okay, so here this f inverse of y I will take it as 1 and this is I will take it as 2. So where x is equal to this na, so f inverse of y is equal to y minus b by a we can write, because this 2 1 from 1 and 2 x is equal to equal, these two are also equal here. I will write this one. Now he asking us to find the inverse of f inverse of x. So means we can write it as f inverse of x is equal to x minus b by a, also we can write. So this is the answer of the question. First question, the inverse of this following, f of x is equal to x plus b, inverse will become like this, f inverse of x is equal to x minus b by a will come here. Now move to the second question. Now here f r2 0 to infinity it is defined by f of x is equal to 5 power of x here question. Solution here, we'll do one thing, f of x is equal to 5 power of x is given. Okay, so let y is equal to f of x is equal to 5 power of x. From this I will write f inverse of y is equal to x. Sir, why you doing every time this f of x, y is equal to f of x, so why you writing like this, means this f I am bringing this side and it will become f inverse. Okay, so that's why it will be come like this, it will become inverse, that's why I am writing like this. Okay, here y is equal to we can write it as 5 power of x, no, this y is equal to this we can write, and it will become we can write it as x is equal to log of base 5 y. In the 10th class there is a log size there na, so in this we can modify it will like this in this form. So here f inverse of x is f inverse of y is equal to x and x is equal to how much we getting, so this one, this is second equation, this is first thing, that from 1 and 2 f inverse of y is equal to log 5 y. So these only f inverse of x we can write to log 5 and x it will become. So this is the answer of given question. Now move to the next question here. This is third one. You can do this question easily, defined by f of x is equal to given, f of x is equal to log base 2 x is given, let y is equal to, we can let y is equal to. Okay, so here y is equal to f of x is equal to we can write it as f inverse of y is equal to x I am writing. So y is equal to how much is given, log 2 base 2 x is given here. So this I am taking to x is equal to 2 power of y. So log I am removing, and these values will I am taking here, and it will become 2 power of y will become, and x is equal to. So here x is equal to, and x is equal to from 1 and this is 2. We think that if so from 1 and 2 it will become f inverse of y is equal to 2 power of y will come, and f inverse of x is equal to 2 power of x we can write. So this is the answer of this question. Next question. So move to the this 8th one, third is over here, 2 power of x over. Now move to the next question, 9th one here. Dear students, here given question is, if f of x is equal to 1 plus x square plus dash 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 for all mod x belong x less than x less than 1, then show that the f inverse of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. He asking us to find. We have to show here. So here given question is what f of x is equal to 1 plus x square plus dash 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 dash. It is ar power of 2 like this. It will come like this. So here a is equal to 1. So means geometric progression here. What I am saying is, my mean is geometric progression. I am taking from this a is as a 1 and r is as a x here, because say r is equal to first second term by first term, no. So x square by x is equal to, will get x only. So from this here addition is then sum of this thing is equal to a by 1 minus r. So this total thing is equal to. Now here I can write it as f of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x here. Now let y is equal to f of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. He asking then show that f inverse of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. He asking us to show. So that's why I am doing here. Here f of x is equal to y, no. So x is equal to f inverse of x here. So y is equal to this much, x is equal to this much came here, and now so here we can write from this one y is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. So it will become, I am writing 1 by y is equal, I am reversing the equation, 1 minus x will get, and this x I am bringing this side, and this I am this side and this side. So it will become x is equal to 1 minus 1 by y. So x is equal to, this will become y minus 1 divided by y. So x is equal to, this x is equal to equal will doing here first one and second one, this equation from 1 and 2 it will become f inverse of y, sorry this is y here, f inverse of y is equal to y minus 1 by y here. So same like f inverse of x is equal to, we can write it as x minus 1 by x. So we have to show this one only. Now move to the next question, 10th one. If f closed interval and open interval 1 to infinity is equal to, here 1 to interval 1 to infinity defined by f of x is equal to 2 power of x minus 1. So given question is here f of x is equal to 2 power of x into x minus 1 he given. So we need to find f inverse of x here. So this is the big question here. It will take a lot of time. Okay, we'll do. So here f of x is equal to given, and this one will take it like y is equal to f of x is equal to 2 power of x into x minus 1 here come. From this f inverse of y is equal to x we can say from these two terms. Okay, I am writing. Now y is equal to, it will become 2 into x power of x minus 1 will come. So 2 will goes here, it will become log of base 2 y is equal to, it will become x into x minus 1 will become. So it will become x square minus 1, sorry x square minus x will come. So after that what will do here, this x square minus x minus log of base 2 y we can write is equal to 0. So this I we can write. So we have to do factorization here. We have to find the x values. This is if finding the roots of this equation, it will become will come answer. Okay, we'll do try. Here a is equal to ax square plus bx minus c, bx plus c is equal to 0. From that one we are finding the roots of this equation. Here a is equal to, we can write it as 1, and b is equal to, we can write it as -1, and c is equal to minus log base 2 y. We'll try, I'm trying here, I don't know it will come or not, but maximum it will come here. If we do like this, though, minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a na. So this is the formula of that one na? So equation of find the roots, plus or minus, here it will come. Okay, now in this I'm substituting the values. X is equal to minus b, already minus 1 is there, it will become plus 1, and plus or minus under root of b square means 1 minus 4ac. 4 into a means how much? 1 into c means how much? This minus become plus here, and log base 2 y will come, divided by 2 into a means 1 only here, and x is equal to, it will become 1 plus or minus under root of 1 plus 4 log 2 y divided by 2. So this x is equal to, here where this first one equal to, here this one second one equal to f inverse of y equal to, this will come 1 plus or minus under root of 1 plus 4 log 2 y divided by 2, answer here. So we can do this here, and in this place f inverse of x you do, please you write here in the y place, you submit the x value, that is the answer. Now move to the second bit. Here section 2, section 1 completed up to now. Now 10 questions are there. Section 2 we are going to find now. There are 7 questions are there in section 2. Now move to section 2. Here second bit, first question is, if f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1, x not equal to plus or minus 1, he is saying that, then verify f inverse of x is equal to, big question. Here we have to do much thing here. So first we have to find f inverse, also f inverse of x we have to find. After that f inverse of x is equal to, we have to verify this one also. So here solution, big question, we do jaldi here. So given that f of x is equal to, here x minus 1 by x plus 1 he given, okay na. So x not equal to plus or minus 1 also he given. So from this I am taking y is equal to f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1 I am taking. So here we'll get from these two terms, we'll get x is equal to f inverse of x. So and also y is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 also we'll get here. And then we'll do one thing, here this is minus, I'm sorry I am writing directly. Here this is as 1, y by 1 is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Here this is like this. So here I am applying compendendo and dividendo. And dividendo. So you ask your sir, you will explain in your class only, please you ask in there. So it will become y plus 1 divided by y minus 1 will come. Here it will become x minus 1 plus x plus 1 will come. So this numerator and denominator will once add by, and once differentiation, here x plus 1 will come like this. Symbols, see here symbols will come like this. Here also same symbols come like this. This is compounder and dividendo formula here. So if in case this type of question will arise, we have to do with this method. So compounder and dividendo. So here y plus 1 divided by y minus 1 is equal to, if we solution to x minus 1 and plus x minus plus 1 divided by here x minus 1 and minus x plus 1. So I am multiplying with this one, it will become x plus 1 now. So here it will become minus, it will become. So answer is, this will get cancelled, 2x divided by, here x will get cancelled, it will become minus 2 here. So 2 will get cancelled, will remain minus x here. Y plus y1 divided by y minus y1 is equal to y minus x we getting here. Okay. So what we have to find, x only na. So minus will take this side, and it will become y plus 1 divided by 1 minus y I am writing here is equal to x. So this x is equal to this x is equal to, so here 1 and this is 2, think that, and we'll get f inverse of y is equal to, f inverse of this y here, y is equal to, we'll get y plus 1 divided by 1 minus y. Same like f inverse of x is equal to, we'll get x plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. So f inverse of x we got here from this question. We have to do only one thing. F of what we have to find, f of f inverse of x we have to find is equal to, we have to show x only na. So in that I found this one, f of f inverse of x only we found up to now. So we have to do f of f inverse of x we have to do now. So I will do in the next page. What we have to do, f inverse f of f inverse of x is equal to x we have to show. No, so f inverse of x is equal to how much we got, how much we got here in this x plus 1 by 1 minus x we got, no. What we have got, x plus 1 by 1 minus x, x plus 1 by 1 minus x we got. So here this we got, and f of x is equal to how much value, f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x plus x minus 1 by x plus 1, no. So in that we have to submit. So f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1 here. So sorry, here x minus 1 by x plus 1 here. So in this we have to submit the value of f inverse of x. So f inverse f of f inverse of x value we have to submit is equal to f of f inverse of x is value how much here, x plus 1 divided by 1 minus x here. So f of x value here, x minus 1 by f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. So in that I am submitting. So here x plus 1 divided by 1 minus x, this minus 1 here divided by, so I am taking in the this one, okay, divided by x, in that x plus how much is there, x plus 1 divided by 1 minus x plus 1 here. Now it will become x plus 1 minus of 1 minus x will come divided by 1 minus x and divided by x plus 1 of plus x 1 minus x will come. So divided by 1 minus x, this 2 1 minus x will get cancelled here and will remain here x minus 1, sorry, x plus 1 minus 1 plus x divided by here how much come, x plus 1 plus x minus x come, this 1 minus x come. So minus x will get cancelled and minus 1 will get cancelled, will remain 2x divided by 2 will remain, 2 1 will get cancelled, means remain x here, x will remain there. So means we have to show that is only now f inverse of x is equal to x. So this is the answer we have to show, we got that only here x value. Now this is a proof of next this one. Now first question is over. Now move to the second question of section 2. Section 2 second question is a different question from other these given questions. You consider your class notes, is best for this one, because every college tells this question as a differently, that's why I am leaving this one, so please go through your class notes, that is important, how they deal with this question. So I am deal with this question in differently, so that is different for you, because this is important question. You only go for with the college model, because different colleges take different models with this one, because it is take long time. Now I will go for the third question here. Now third question is here, if f r to r then g r to r defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x is equal to x square plus 1 is given here. So question is g of f inverse of 2 we have to find here. So first we have to find f inverse of x. So we can write first here f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, this is y let, and it will become f inverse of y is equal to x, okay, and y is equal to 3x minus 2, and here from this x is equal to y plus 2 divided by 3 will come, and this first and this second will 2 are equal, so means f inverse of y is equal to y plus 2 by 3, means f inverse of x is equal to x plus 2 by 3 we can write. So from this I am doing f inverse of 2. So f inverse of 2 I am taking this question here, g of f inverse of 2. here g of f inverse of 2 means it will become 2 plus 2 divided by 3. So means g of 4 by 3 will come. G of 4 by 3 means g of is equal to how much here? X square plus 1, no? So here x square, x means x in the place of x, 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3 whole square plus 1 will come. 4 square 16 divided by 9 plus 1 here. So it will become 9 1 ja 9. 9 plus 16 is 25 divided by 9 will come answer. So answer is 25 by 9. Now this is the answer of g of f inverse of minus 2 value. Now move to the next question in this second question. Now second question is simple here. Solution g of f of x minus 1 is given. G of f of x minus 1 is given. So from this f of x is equal, I am submitting g of f of x in the place 3a into x minus 1 minus 2 I am submitting, where f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 na in this one. So x in the x place x minus 1 I am submitting here. So g of 3 into x 3x minus 3